Hi everyone, today I will be showing you how to make candles. So basically what you need is obviously some candle jars. This one I already labeled with my sticker here. And you also need this pitcher. You don't need a big one, you can just use whatever metal or glass pitcher that you have as long as it can withstand heat. And then I have a wax melter here, but you don't really need this. You can just use a double boiler. To be honest, I'm just trying to show you how to make one candle. So yeah, so my wax here is already melted. So what you want to do is you just want to like put the melted wax into the pitcher. Be careful, this is very hot. Okay, now that you got the wax into the pitcher, what we want to do is we want to put in some fragrance oils. Okay, so my candle jar only has 10 ounces, so that's about 285-ish grams. So you only need about 10% of the fragrance oil, so 8 to 10%. So I already measured out my fragrance blend here. This is about 28-ish grams. So what we're gonna do is we're just going to pour this in. Yeah, and then we are just going to mix this very well. We gotta also make sure that the temperature is right. Yeah, so I'm gonna get another jar. I'm gonna get a jar here. This is my jar, and then we are going to get a sticker here to stick the wick on. So you need a wick like this, and then you wanna just put these together and then try to make it as center as possible. Yeah. There we go. And then yeah, so this stick will just hold it in place. Yeah. You can use the metal one as well, but I don't have that. So yeah, so now when you're ready, you can just start to like pour it slowly. Make sure you do it slowly. Yeah, you just want to pour it so that there's enough space for the lid, if your jar does have a lid. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So these are my candles right here. But yeah, if you're interested, you can also get it on my website. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.